Buddha Mahotsav. 4 places important in the life of Lord Buddha. They are Bodh Gaya, Rajgir, Sarnath and Kushinagar. Bicentenary of Indian Ordnance Factories. Sidho Murmu and Kanho Murmu, leaders of Santhal Mukti Andolan. Santhal Pargana is now in Jharkhand. A wide cross-section is envisaged by Indian philately. 150 years of railway in India. The depiction is the first train that ran between Boribandar and Thane on 16th of April 1852. 50th anniversary of diplomatic relations between India and Japan. On the left is Kabuki dancer and on the right is Kathakali dancer. Golden Jubilee, Parliament of India. It is in the sense that on 13th of May 1952, India's Parliament met for the first time after the first general elections in the independent India. Prabodhankar Thakre, the social reformer and writer. Pu L. Deshpande, the Marathi writer humorist, an accomplished film and stage actor, script writer, author, composer, musician, singer, orator, and philanthropist. The one and the only. Vittalrao Vikhe Patil, a leader in cooperative movement in Maharashtra. His yeoman services to rural Maharashtra won appreciation and admiration from whole India. Anna Bhau Sathe, the poet and the writer. The information brochure published by Department of Post describes him as the voice of voiceless. Sant Tukaram, the poet. Truly speaking, his Abhangavani has a universal appeal. I quote an Abhanga. आम्हा घरी धन शब्दांचीच रत्ने. It means we house a huge wealth and treasure. The diamonds and jewels of this treasure are the words, the shabda. At the end he says, तुका म्हणे पहा शब्दची हा देव, शब्देची गौरव पूजा करू. It means the world is akin to my Lord, and I worship the Lord word by offerings of the words. The Mangroves, a set of 4 beautiful stamps. Nagpur Tercentenary. The depiction shows a samadhi of Raghuji Bhosle, Vidhan Bhavan and oranges. Handicrafts of India, clockwise from top left. Cane and bamboo artifacts. Theva art. Dhokra castings. Patola fabric of Patan. Forts of Andhra Pradesh, Govalkonda and Chandragiri. Thank you for being with Vishwas Joshi. It will encourage us if you subscribe to our channel Swananda Lahari.